sorkar jela mentakadan haka jing temu ban persang penyanyo di kali elektrik vehicle nongbah Shillong da ka babu hakman baka ni kanya ram panlan nakal air chapo ka bajumi na kali wala ka sorkar Meghalaya kala walam da ka Meghalaya electric vehicle policy arhajar arpwe ka bansa ko na holober jong u arhajar arpenrio henry layu ipan maka jing penan kam jong kipai pa ikini kali electric kaduna hado kata kumta na kalyang secretary katana transport jong ka sorkar jelang udiri sangma habakran haka workshop pasisngi kabalong hakani kasi balang nongbah Shillong ula kubur baka dega jing shisha baka jing bunan kam kali elektrik haka jela ki duna bha watla naka sorkar kala penbana daka songkarpang naka benta ki patba ki budget ban penan kam yakini ki jat kali haba benrap lang u assistant commissioner katana transport ba edi tingkan ulong bana ka benta ka nongbah Shillong na daki paipa ki jet no daki kali elektrik ka jingkala kan long da kumway pan ha ka ba ka let ka wan ha ki jaka sor kan long ha ka rukam ka ba compare kat kum ka jing ong jong u ha Shillong hi ki babon ka let ka wan jong ki paipa ka dei tang na jan hajan bat kumta ka ni kanya ha bha ya ki pan penan kam daki kali elektrik kum ki kali arshaka bat lai shaka wada ki kali kamai ru nakalyang kini ki officer kila penpau ba wat la kata ka jingpenan kam kali elektrik da ki pat ba ka jela kala nang kiu menta bat ki khmilenti ba nang ni shakmat kan kiu arsha da ka jing trailang na baro kilyang ya kani ka program na pelong da ka jing trailang bat ka convergence energy services limited kumju ka Ernst and Young LLP na lor ka Asian Development Bank. Hagani ka sina yoru ya ka jingpan shai ka ba kampanya na u head of commercial jongka CESL u Amit Sud na lor kiwe ki nongkaran.
EV policy in 2021. So the policy will be expiring next year. I think if I am not mistaken, in the month of March. In the policy, we, government of Meghalaya, has provided certain incentives. Even then, you see the adoption of EVs in the state is very slow, and those who are availing the scheme also very minimal. So, as I have said, there are so many challenges why this EV adoption in the state is very slow and is moving in a very slow pace. However, we should not be discouraged. Whatever might be, we are moving ahead. The awareness that is creating amongst the people also moving very fast. So we are very optimistic in future. People will adopt EVs in the state. Considering the traffic congestion, as we have already said, air pollution, then also for adopting cleaner energy, we are slowly but surely adopting EV policy in the state. As I said, the transition from diesel, petrol to batteries also calls for investment in human capital. That's why my colleague has said in his speech, this also will create job opportunities for the youth. As I said, when we adopt electric vehicles in the state, our youth will be engaged in EV repair, diagnostics, battery handling, fleet management, and so on. Technical institutions, skill development agencies, and the private sector must come together to build a green jobs ecosystem that supports the EV economy. Let me conclude my speech by saying the shift to electric mobility is not just about replacing petrol, diesel vehicles with batteries. It's about creating a new kind of city, one that is cleaner, quieter, more accessible, and future ready. It's about giving our citizens better options, giving our environment a break and our economy new areas to grow. My colleague also already said Shillong can be a role model for the rest of the cities in the northeast India. I do subscribe to the same view. If our citizens are a little bit conscious, when we adopt this transition from petrol, diesel to EV, surely, and why not, we become a role model for other cities in the northeastern states.